Ocean View Heights is an enchanting home that will captivate you from the moment you walk through the doors. This 11.5 hectare property offers unobstructed sea views from Mere Island, across the Bowen Town Bar, over Matakana and all the way to Mount Maunganui. With a social modern kitchen area connecting to a large dining and living wing, separated subtly by a double-sided gas fireplace. The living area is a large open plan space, providing unobstructed views, opening through oversized stacker doors out to 176 square metres of decking. The large master suite with individual climate control, generous walk-through fitted wardrobe, ensuite and office is privately situated away from the other bedrooms. Expansive decks connect the living areas to the inside of the home. You will feel connected to the outside even when you're inside. Your own private native bush oasis. A quality minor dwelling is conveniently located away from the main home, yet a short walk, offering an ideal balance between privacy and connection. Currently used for Airbnb, this could make a splendid abode for additional family. With 3 separate sheds and lean-to storage totalling over 450 square metres. Innovative thinking was used here with 450 Hasson-Dusa and 50 reeds, planted in high-density tramline planting. At only 4 years old, these stunning trees are already producing 20 tonne off 1 hectare. In a time when space is precious and we're trying to get our costs down, these are ideal as lower trees. Built in 2021, specifically positioned around the view with an ideal northeasterly aspect, and tucked into the side of the hill, so sheltered from the prevailing weather. The current owners have loved entertaining here, but now it is time for the new owners to enjoy this stunning lifestyle block and all its amenities. So don't hesitate. Give me, Darrell, a call from the Green Team at Eves Country and secure your viewing for 1031B State Highway 2 Katikati.